Affiliate marketing is a process where you earn a commission by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser using an affiliate link. You will get paid for providing a specific result to a retailer or advertiser. Typically, the result is a sale, but some affiliate marketing programs can reward you for leads, free trial users, clicks to a website, or getting downloads for an app. Most affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. So let's take, for example, Amazon. You simply sign up for free and start promoting products. You get the affiliate links and put them in your video description or in the comments area where you can also pin the comment. You can do the same for a lot of websites and promote their products or services in your videos. To find these websites, simply Google Best Affiliate Marketing Sites. I will also put a few links in the description of this video.